No words can express how much
Ang taas kasi nung guys eh.
I love you.
Woohoo!
I love you.
Hi guys! Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Araw ng Martes, February 3, 2026. Shoutout po sa lahat ng mga Team Kalingap. And shoutout po sa lahat ng mga solid viewers natin mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, syempre sa buong Mega Metro Manila. At ngayong araw guys, pag-uusapan natin at i-react po, i-react po natin na napakalupit na live ni Kalingap Jomar. May entertain tayo dito guys for sure. Siyempre Papa Joms mag-entertain sa mga viewers niya and solid supporters ng Kalingap. At bago tayo po tumungo dyan, bigyan ng reaction video, i-shoutout ko muna yung mga minamahal ko mga OFW na kapwa OFWs. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pag-support and panonood sa mga live and upload, especially sa Jomcar Matatag. And shoutout natin and supportan po palagi natin lahat ng Kalingap reactors and partners sa pangunayan ni Kuya Basang sa Matubang at syempre ang nag-iisa Kalingap Rob. So anyway, hindi ko na papatagalin guys at pakinggan natin at supportahan natin to. Syempre huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-like, comment and subscribe. TV 2.0. Alright, please subscribe. And please subscribe guys at panoorin natin ito. Tara.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit niya. Pambihira, 12:27 ng gabi. Nagsasaba ka direct tayo.
Nila Papa Joms.
Guys, loko-loko kayo. Huwag niyong i-reels guys ha.
Yan na Papa Joms, nireact ko. Huwag daw i-reels. Ayan, i-react ko Papa Joms.
So, bibigyan ko nga lang kayo. Huwag niyong guys i-reels.
Papa Joms, yan, react pa
ito.
natin. Oh.
Ay, wait, isa pa. Ito po guys, from ano po ni Tita Saida Nuevo. Huwag na, Tita Jenny, magre-request ko po ba kayo? Naku po. Baka mawin na
With costume pa yan
tayo sa ano po ni Tita Jenny. Ito, how did you know guys?
How did you know?
Guys, nakikita ko yung mga reels nyo. Pambira kayo guys
Para
po.
kay Carla yan.
How did you know daw, sabi ni Tita Rebecca Velasquez. Sige po, si Tita Saida yan at si Tita Rebecca yan eh.
Oh.
Ito. I remember so well
Oh.
the day that you came into my life.
Sana all!
You asked for my name.
Grabe yun
You had the most beautiful smile.
Ay, putik. Naiisip ko si Carla. Naknapatay. No.
My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright
Yeah.
with you right by my side.
Ah.
Makes me feel things will work out just fine.
Putik ka. Putik ka. Pasmod, Papa Joms Tanat na chorus. In 3, 2, 1.
How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there is an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget
Itik
how you brought the sun to shine
Papa Joms!
in my life.
Ganun pa talaga siya, no? Lupit yan ang effort. Lupit talaga, Papa Joms, alatang in love ka. Papa Joms, in love ka na.
And took all the worries and fears that I had.
Medyo mataas yun.
I guess what I'm really trying to say.
Ay, gusto ko yung gano'n mo, try. I love it, Isa pa.
Oh, you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had.
Yan.
I guess what I'm really trying to
Try. Galing,
say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you.
Papa Jam! Tigyan na.
Diba? Ang layo ng sabakadiri ni Tito Jenny. How did you know? How did you know? I needed someone like you in my life. That there is an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess I am really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much.
Mataas kasi nung guys eh.
I love you. I love you.
Knock na pating.
Carla. Anong Carla?
Siyempre, para kay Carla yung Papa Joms.
Pinapractice ko lang yung sarili ko sa level up.
Pwede natin. Isa ko yan
I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life,
Andun tayo.
and took all the worries and fears that I had.
Alright.
Lamang ito ang sikreto, kaya tayo nagtagal-egis sa atin ng komento.
I guess I am really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much hindi kaya. Much I love you. I love you.
Napakagaling.
Carla. Ba't talaga nung Carla? Diba? Ang lamig ng boses, di ba?
Oo, malamig Papa Joms. Pero mainit ang pagmamahal ng Jomcar. Naklapasin! Di ba? Mainit ang pagmamahal ng Jomcar.
Thank you po, Tita Zeda Nuevo and Tita Rebecca Velasco. Okay na po yun, guys.
Not sure what to do when it rains.
Solid Papa Joms I enjoy it
Baka magka-copyright pa. Pag nagka-copyright tayo, guys, alam na. Good sa boses ko. Pogi. Ay.
Kiti Papa Joms no. Nakakaaliw din eh.
Thank you very much, guys. Malamig ang boses. Depende, guys.
Nawala yung audio mo, Papa Joms, sorry. Papa Joms!
Di ba lamig, guys? Malamig.
Malamig. Wala kang kayakap, Papa Joms. Wala kang kayakap si Papa Joms eh.
Okay na.
How much?
Ang light talaga ng ano eh. How did you know?
Oo, kasi yung kanta na yan, alam mo, bagay sa inyong dalawa ni Carla.
Snow ka ba, Papa Jones? Tita Elizabeth Nadas na naman po.
How did you know?
10 guitars? Na po ako sa 10 guitars eh.
Ay, gusto ko yung 10 guitars. Favorite ko yung Papa Jones. Kantahin mo.
Ginaw kayo ba bigla? Di ba? Ginaw.
Gusto ko yung 10
Ganda kasi ng
guitars.
boses ko guys eh. Yun ang hindi magaya-gaya ng iba.
Totoo man, Papa Jones, siguro lang ganyan may boses. Di ba?
10 guitars? Na po ako sa 10 guitars eh. Ginaw kayo ba bigla? Di ba? Ginaw. Ganda kasi ng boses ko guys eh. Yun ang hindi magaya-gaya ng iba.
Di ba?
Apo. Kuya Ato Isindaw, shoutout po.
So anyway guys, mabilis ang reaction video na ito. Isang kanta lang ni Papa Jones, Huwag kayo mabitin, At maraming salamat po. At siguro kung may request kayo guys, let me know. Pero mabilis ang reaction video lang, syempre. Dito sa Jongka Matatag. And always remember, one Kalingap, one family. And thanks so much po. At ako'y talaga nag-enjoy sa napakaganda. At talaga namang mula sa pusong awitin. At iyon, I think, inaalay talaga niya kay Carla. Kita mo na yung mukha ni Papa Jones dito, Talagang alam mong in love, no? So, ba talaga. At maraming salamat sa Diyos. Ito po ang paborito niyo reactor na nag-iisang Merzano TV 2.0. And to God be the glory, guys. See you again, guys. And please comment down below. Paalam!